Can you share Audible books? Yes, you can share Audible books with family members using Audible's Family Library Sharing feature or by sharing devices. This video will guide you through both methods, visually demonstrating each step with realistic UI animations of the Audible app. Audible's Family Library Sharing is part of Amazon Household. This feature allows you to share eligible Audible books with your family members without sharing your account credentials. In Amazon Household, you can link up to 2 adult accounts, plus add up to 4 teens aged 13 to 17 and up to 4 children aged 12 and under. The benefits of this method include sharing Audible books seamlessly, managing content and devices as a family, and maintaining privacy by not sharing login information. To set up Amazon Household, start by navigating to the Amazon website and hovering over Account and Lists in the top navigation bar. Clicking Amazon Household takes you to your Household Settings page, where you can see current members and manage your family account. If you don't have a household yet, you'll see an option to create one. Click Create Your Household now to begin the setup process. To add another adult, both adults must be present and agree to share payment methods. Click Add an Adult and follow the verification process. You can also add teens aged 13 to 17 or children under 12. Teens get their own login for shopping with parental approval, while children access shared content. Open the Audible app and navigate to the Settings menu. From Settings, select Account Details or Library to access sharing options. In Library Settings, locate the Family Library Sharing option and toggle it on. When you toggle it on, the switch turns green to confirm it's active. Important: only audiobooks purchased after enabling this feature will be shared. Books bought before enabling must be explicitly marked as shareable. Once family members have access to shared books, they can open their Audible app and navigate to their library. Tap the Library tab at the bottom to view all available audiobooks. Use the filter options to view only shared books that have been made available through the family library. Select a shared audiobook from the list. Tap Download to add the book to your device. Family members can now listen to the shared book independently. Their listening progress is tracked separately and won't affect the original purchaser's progress. An alternative method for sharing Audible books is device sharing. This involves logging out of your Audible account on one device and logging in on another device using different credentials. First, on the original device, you'll need to log out of your Audible account. This frees up the account for use on another device. Next, on the second device, log in using the shared account credentials. This gives the second person access to the same audiobooks. This method requires sharing your login information with others, which can be convenient but comes with important limitations. Only one person can actively listen to an audiobook at a time on a single account. If someone starts playing on one device, it may interrupt playback on another. Importantly, sharing login information raises privacy concerns. Others may access your account settings, purchase history, or personal listening data. To manage authorized devices linked to your Audible account, start by accessing your account settings on the Audible website. From the main menu, click on Settings. In your account settings, navigate to the Device Management section where you can view all authorized devices. Here you can see a list of all devices currently authorized to access your Audible account. Audible allows up to 4 devices to be linked at once. If you reach the device limit and need to add a new device, you can deauthorize existing devices to free up a slot. Click the Remove button next to the device you want to deauthorize. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm the removal. Click Yes to confirm. The device will be removed from your authorized list, freeing up a slot for a new device. In summary, there are 2 main ways to share Audible books: Family Library Sharing, which is the preferred method for its convenience and security, and device sharing as an alternative. Family Library Sharing allows you to share books securely without exchanging login credentials, making it the recommended approach. Device sharing works, but carries risks of exposing your account information. To keep your account secure, always use Family Library Sharing whenever possible, and avoid sharing login credentials with others. Like this video and subscribe for more Audible tips to make the most of your audiobook experience.